We're out here in Atala County for our annual Rabbitstick Youth Hunt. This is an annual event, been going on for a number of years. This year's bittersweet because we lost one of our wildlife officers that was instrumental in starting this hunt. So this hunt today is dedicated to Wayne Williams for his work with the department for all those years and being one of the first ones to start an event like this. The purpose of the annual Rabbitstick Hunt was to get youth back out there, show them traditional ways of how different animals were hunted in the past, and of course show them how to utilize the rabbit stick and things like that. The program does supply some of the sticks. Most hunters tend to want to carve their own, make it fit them, but we do supply some. We also participate in other cultural programs to be able to show kids how to make rabbit sticks. So those are some of the things that we do within our department.
Halito sa Choctaw Cyrus Ben, Choctaw ma imiko higele. Hello, my name is Cyrus Ben. I'm the tribal chief of the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians. Today's a great day, an annual event that we're very grateful for Choctaw Wildlife and Parks that they will put on the annual youth rabbit stick hunt. And so far this morning we've had a good race. One kill so far. Hopefully to hear more stories, some snapshots and videos. But great time for the community to come together, always to allow our youth to keep connected with our cultural hunting skills, and also just to enjoy the outdoors and be able to see it's more to life than just electronics. And the biggest thing about it is the challenge. But along with the challenge, you have a lot of fun, and knowing what your ancestors used many years ago to go out and hunt before the guns and ammunition came into our era.
Oh, I see, walking up there, walking that way. Trying to go on camera. Hey, right here. It's over here. Go around. Hey, it's in here.
It's grown over the past years. I could see it growing even more in the future years. Get out there, try it, especially if you've never done it before. Step out of that comfort zone, have some fun, and enjoy the outdoors.